shooting incident was reportedly at Anil Kumble Circle, allegedly involving Ricky Roy, son of Muttappa Roy. According to initial reports, the accused is suspected of performing drifting stunts multiple times at the location. Following the incident, the Cubbon Park Traffic Police seized a Lamborghini car bearing registration number KA05NR0009. Authorities have issued a notice to Ricky Roy asking him to appear for questioning. The police have also written to the Regional Transport Office to verify the ownership details of the vehicle and confirm in whose name the car is registered. Meanwhile, CCTV footage from the area is being collected as part of the investigation to establish the sequence of events. Based on the available evidence, Cubbon Park Traffic Police Inspector Ravi has taken action by issuing the notice and seizing the vehicle as part of the ongoing probe.